It's 4 in the morning. So not the worst. Now we're heading up Acatenango to see the sunrise. We'll see how it is. We slept about 6 hours. The third highest volcano in Central America, Acatenango, sits above the colonial city of Antigua, Guatemala. Volcanoes rise up above the city, with the constant eruptions of fuego puffing up into the atmosphere. To ascend partway up Fuego, you first ascend Acatenango, stay at base camp, and then make your way down Acatenango and then up Fuego, where you can sit and see the fiery eruptions from up close. The day before the hike, I sat on a hostel rooftop, looking up at Fuego with a sense of trepidation and anticipation, knowing that tomorrow I would ascend those same slippery slopes. Thanks for joining me on the journey. Welcome back to Onwards and Upwards. It's going to be a tough hike, about 5 hours up, so we'll see how it goes.
Sí, es posible ahora en la tarde. Eso lo decidimos arriba. Vamos a ver el clima y el tiempo también. ¿Sí? Mañana podemos ir a...
Marco is a group name.
José.
Sí.
Mi inglés para mí es muy malo. Entonces eso lo vamos a recolectar de las entradas.
You know what time it is, anybody? 11:15. It's 11:15 in the morning. Because of the volcanic ash, the soil is very fertile. So they're growing corn and different things right here. Valleys in the distance. And this is our group right down here. So the volcano is 3,976 meters, and it's actually the third highest volcano in Central America. Thanks for coming along the journey with us.
Los gallos.
And fall down onto the back.
I'm gonna skip the volcano boarding.
Oh no! I thought it was boring. I wanted to go faster.
Mira que le están dando la mochila, eso hace trampa,
¿Se puede pagar como caballo?
Lleva dos mochilas.
So I got 1 liter of water on each side of the bag. You know, and here I got my phone, wallet, that sort of essential stuff. They got the sleeping quarters all figured out. Got a change of clothes, you know, a hat. Got my lunch here. Let's pull out the lunch. See what this lunch is about in a second here. Got my raincoat, 3 liters of water here. Overall, it's, you know, quite an efficient packing job. So this is the lunch they prepared for us. So we got a nice piece of bread, some rice with some sauce, some chicken, some pepper and onion, some garlic. So we just had lunch, and I really enjoyed the lunch. It was a very nice one that they prepared for us. You know, the sun just started shining now, but in general, I'm a bit cold. Got my jacket on and excited to get going, to warm myself up a bit. It's pretty chilly up here. 1 hour more straight uphill, and then 1 hour flat. Nice horse. Hey, buddy. This volcano over here is called Volcán de Agua, or the water volcano. Nice horse here. How's the hike going?
It's going good. It's nice. Easy. Really?
Aquí vamos para Fuego.
So fun. Yay.
Yeah.
So far, so good. I would say that we were going onwards and upwards.
We made it. And it's quite cloudy now, but hoping that the views clear up at some point. So you can see an eruption.
don't think I will go back for this dinner.
Well, they're gonna save some for us as well, even if we come late. Look at that.
There you go.
Alright, so we just made it. Hopefully in the next like 20 minutes the volcano is going to clear up and we can get a nice view of a big eruption. A little bit of this stuff here. It's only 16%, so it's really not, it's nothing, yeah, it's pineapple flavored.
I have my bottle. I have another one.
Oh, nice. Man.
Yeah, the same.
The same. Oh, nice. Salud. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. I appreciate you watching to this point. Honestly, this is a really cool video. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, the force that you guys got.
Not too bad, that is.
It's not.
That is incredible. That's so sick. That's what I wanted. Some lava, motherfucker.
Come on, Fuego! Let's go, Fuego!
Go! Alright, so it's 4 in the morning the next morning and now we're heading up Acatenango, I think, to see the sunrise. We'll see how it is, but we slept about 6 hours and so not the worst. Oh, we made it. The volcano just erupted. It's really windy coming up here. Really, really windy. Also, I should say, when we went up Fuego yesterday, the wind was unlike anything I've ever seen. It was to the point when I actually considered that maybe our lives were in danger because the wind would blow us off the mountain. But we made it. We just stuck to each other, held on to each other. We arrive at the top of Acatenango, just under 4,000 meters. Alright, so for breakfast we got some oatmeal with fruit, it's very nice, and a coffee. So I'm just gonna eat this and then head down the mountain, the volcano. Almost done the hike here. Alright, so this is the place that we slept last night. We have bunk beds down there. It's quite simple but gets the job done. And this is the area where we just had a fire and ate dinner and that sort of thing. So as we're hiking down the mountain, Fuego erupts once again. And it's a beautiful day, good visibility. It's simply amazing. Alright, so we're starting the descent back to the parking lot, back to the road.
now 2026, over 3 years since I did this hike. It's also been 3 years since I posted a YouTube video. I've since gone back and done Acatenango again, but in the dry season. I realized that there's something special about this hike in the rainy season. The desolate horizons, the high winds, the volcano peeking through the clouds, smaller crowds too. I know some of you thought I would never release this, so I'm glad I did. Thanks for joining me, and let me know if you liked the video.
Y si os gusta el contenido que hace Rupert, no olvidéis suscribiros, daros a la campanita, dar a me gusta y esperando los siguientes vídeos.
Onwards and upwards.
Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe and share. Click on. Do like, subscribe and share this video towards your family, friends and everything. Go, hit like button.